Nano bago kabalin ko, musta kayo po? Ako yung Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, ng Royal Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga gawin ni Yachutang mo kini Floridablanca, Pampanga. And may invite kami po kini CheezeTea.
Yes.
So, bayo yung pong buklat milk tea shop kini po Floridablanca. And I've heard start niya kay Macau, which is king abroad. Combine na rin ideas na, flavors and everything. And then they come up with this different kind of milk tea, which is
Something kakaiba.
kakaiba, yeah. And sabihin niya kaya kayo ito, kailing video ini.
So tara, let's go!
O ito, so bintang na rin kaya katamong milk tea. Very gracious siya po na. Dinina nakatamong around 7 milk teas for us to try. So, abe tayo. Sir Jan, sir, i-introduce mo lang kaya kami rin flavors na rin milk tea. Tamo na ano na rin at chukin.
Ay, hindi po sir. Super mixy float po. Atin niya pong 3 singers ni sir. Atin niya pong pudding, pearl at saka CheezeTea po. Ay, naman po sir, monster mango po.
Fruits and milk.
Apo. CheezeTea, tapong original na ng Stormy. Hindi po pala niya po pala CheezeTea sir. Atin niya po kasing cheese foam kayong babo.
Okay.
Milk tea, tas cheese foam po kayong babo.
Oy, things sasabihan me. So, atin lang,
Cheese foam.
cheese foam, which is the first time na damdaman tayo.
First time tayo rin takman.
Wow.
Cheese foam naman.
Cheese foam.
Hindi naman po sir, lemonade Yakult Oreo milk tea po. Matcha cheese tea po.
Matcha cheese tea. Okay.
Tas tapong bestseller ni sir, tapong Serradura.
Serradura.
Tapong flavor na sir, winter melon.
Winter melon, which is my favorite, man. So guys, na ating yan layer na ng graham, whipped cream, kebat, milk tea mismo. Okay. Minsan pa magpasalamat kami kaya kayo for being with us kaya vlog ini. And of course, thank you mo naman CheezeTea for inviting us all the way from San Fernando to Floridablanca. Sigurado worth it la po rin kasi very unique la rin karelang serve kayo na milk tea. Bayo la po kaya kami. Great part of the vlog is taste testing. So iya ko naman yung metong ka rin bestseller. Tapos tayo pa. Wow! This one is for the people who are looking for a drink and a dessert at the same time.
Apay ng lemonade Yakult sakto kay mapaling panahon, mag-refresh ka, pwede, sakto yung sakto.
Before tayo mag-proceed guys, takaman ko pa kasi enjoy ko. Nga pala, so the way to enjoy more in Karelang Serradura is to, sip the milk tea halfway, and then you mix all the itong graham, itong whipped cream, all together until you have a milk tea. I don't know what you call it, pero kamadayan eh. Wapin. So kada sip mo guys, it's a mix of graham, itong whipped cream, itong milk tea. Kaya kami po ka ng mainit. It's a milk tea in a cake all in one. So again, bayo ya po kaya kami ni Serradura is a Portuguese cake and sinerch ke in CheezeTea Floridablanca kening Pampanga mo ing atin.
Nice.
Kung maninton kayo po,
Serradura milk tea.
iyo po kaya ni CheezeTea Floridablanca. So next time magproceed tamo po, bakit tamo ko magsine? Kaya ko ining original na CheezeTea. So sabi dapat ngayon ni guys, ing pinaka-unique atin da kaya ni sinta karelang cheese foam. So yan, sama tayo. Wow! First time kaya rin nakain niya. So itong cream na guys, or itong float na is very foamy. Okay, but aliya kay. Magaspang. Super smooth, silky, mga yan yung kaya na. Milky.
Blanc pin kaya, marshmallow.
Wala marshmallow yan. And mag-complement niya itong saltiness. So ito, this is all started guys. Pakon tayo pa. Pasibayo.
Kakulang ta Oreo milk tea.
Oreo milk tea.
So ini more on cream cheese ini. Kung itang nandin, float siya, ini naman cream cheese siya. At the same time, yung Oreo.
Okay. Alright. So tutukin yung takman ini karelang monster mango. So physical observation, Experience na pa ma-refresh na ka.
Ako naman ganit takman kita, super macy float. Dati nga long sinkers. Ayan.
So again, bukla tayo pa mo kasi buli kaya pa mong takman yung float or retang ingredients, para tapalo mo retang lasa na. Okay, but takman tala retang maka blender na mangga. Wow. So kanya naman, 3 flavors or taste na kakaibo. There's the sweetness of the milk tea. But itang saltiness na nitong cheese. But atin ka pang itang fruity sour na yung mango. So general taste na it's very refreshing. Aliya bala mo mabayat king at siya din kaya yung feeling na para ka na kumaya. Of the 3 cups na tikman ko, so far, iniing ka na akong kain. Bet for the 3 cups na tikman ko.
Makaka-amaze kayo itang chichi jelly daw. So, itang chichi jelly daw, lala siyang lychee.
Okay.
So, syempre ako, as a fruity lover, nakakabuli kang lychee. So, mag-enjoy ko kakaranin. At the same time, atin yung pudding, tsaka pearl. Nice.
Available lang mo naman pala kayo ni Incarel lang.
Yan.
This is so big. Available yun for
Milk tea.
group buy.
Yes.
Then, so if you go here on a group, 4 to 6 persons, this can accommodate you guys.
Available lang din karela. Syempre itang cheese foam, ininang pearl da, and itang pudding da. Yan. Ate ko rin ikit na din kitang menu da. If ever bisa kayo mag-unlimited milk tea, available yan rin Kenny. Kumbaga, it's a bottomless.
For only
199 pesos.
199 pesos.
So, tila rin Kenny, ito loyalty card na mahilig ka rin milk tea. Yan. Pag may ka 5 na ka, so libre kaya kang sinkers. And on the 10th mo, libre naman itang regular cheese tea mo.
With the guys, so we're gonna, finish them off. Magpasalamat kami kay CheezeTea for being generous na in-invite na kami to taste, and of course, pakilala niyo po ni Kenny kaya kayo. So, agkatan nila po rin taga Floridablanca. Kuya mo po ni Mabical along the road.
Yes.
Very accessible, and
They're open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
we have the entire week to enjoy eating different kind of milk tea. Actually, sabi mo kitang introduction mi, it's unique. Bayo miya pa mo pong atang manini. So, if you're looking for an option for your milk tea, or nung bisa naman mag-explore, since these milk teas are very unique, so available yung po ni Kenny CheezeTea. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we're gonna enjoy more. Until our next discovery,
Peace out.
bye! I've heard at nila pang bestseller Kenny guys. Iniing ka lang honey lemon dew with chia seeds. Baga sweet refreshment siya po muna nini. Kunin ka rin ang somewhat health conscious. Available yan ni. At yung pametong Kenny, iniing ka lang mango serradura. Itang tindray mo din is plain niya. Ngayon ito yung mango flavor ini. Make sure to check it out.